There are two different methods that you can use to import an item from Course Commons into your course. We're going to look at both of them in this lesson. So here I have a course item that I'd like to bring into my own course. The first thing I need to do is I need to look over here to the right where it says import/download. Okay, so I'm going to click there. And this is going to pop out a dialog box on the right. And the two methods are right here in front of us. The first is to actually import it directly into our course. And so, for example, if I have many courses, I could search for it. But since we have only a couple courses here, I could also just select the course right there. Now, it's very important that you don't import course items from Course Commons directly into a live published course. Now, obviously, you're capable of doing that, but it's not suggested. The reason being is that if you're borrowing a resource from an unknown educator out there, you don't know exactly what settings they have set, and those might override some settings that you've set within your course. So it's best to always import it into a sandbox style course and then to import it from there into your live course. That ensures that nothing unexpected happens. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my sandbox, and then I'm going to click import into course. You can see it says you have successfully started the import, and depending on the size of this course item, it might take a few seconds to a few minutes. This is only 6 kilobytes, so it is already there. Okay, so I can click over to courses and then to my sandbox course. And then this was an assignment, and so I'm going to click into assignments. And right here you can see that it has brought it into my imported assignments group, and it will always bring it into the imported assignments group, and then I can drag it up into whatever assignment group that I want it to be in. Let's go back into Course Commons real quick, and let's look at a second method that we can use to import an item. Okay, here I'm going to use, let's choose another assignment. Okay, I'm going to filter down to assignment, and I'm just going to choose, let's choose this one. This one looks interesting. Okay, again, it's nice and small, so this should be quick. Again, I'm going to choose import download, but this time I'm going to actually click the download button. And this is going to download directly to your computer, or it's going to give a save as button if that's the setting that you have with your browser. So I can see that it automatically downloaded it to my computer there. And again, I'm going to go over to the course that I want this to be in. I'm going to go back to my sandbox. And right here on the front page of my course, on the right side, I can see it says import existing content. And I'm going to go ahead and click that. Where it says content type, I'm going to choose copy or Canvas course export package, and then I'm going to choose the file, and there's the file. Now I can choose to import all the content, which if this is just a single file, then I would just choose that. But if, let's say that I was importing a course but I didn't want all of the items, I can choose select specific content. I'm going to go ahead and choose that even though it's really just one item. I also have the opportunity to change the due dates if I'm, for example, importing something from one of my previous courses. Click import. It uploads it, and you can see that it's running here. And then it allows me to select content. Now, if this was a large course, I'd be able to choose which item that I want. This only has one item, so I'll just choose it and select content. And you can see that it's queued, and should be quick. There it is, completed. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to assignments, and I can see that there is that one assignment that I have imported. So in this lesson, we looked at how do we import resources from the Course Commons, both by importing it directly from Commons to our course or by downloading it and uploading it. Cheers.